I've been having like lower back pain and hip pain, and at one point my whole left leg was shooting pain. I couldn't even sit for like 3 days. So I've gone to chiropractors, massages, stretch lab, regular doctors, cortisone shots. Nothing was helping. My name is Laura. I've been having like lower back pain and hip pain, and at one point my whole left leg was shooting pain. I couldn't even sit for like 3 days. It's coming up on 5 years. I've gone to chiropractors, massages, stretch lab, regular doctors, cortisone shots, physical therapy. Nothing was helping at all.
How many cortisone shots did you get?
I did it 3 times. It was just making me nervous because I knew it was like, I couldn't feel it, but the pain wasn't going away. No one would help me. They just wanted to give me medicine. And that was not an option. Just simple things like taking the dishes out of the dishwasher or yard work or gardening. Kind of gets depressing because like I said, like I want to work out and be healthy and, run around with my kids and things like that. And just nothing was working. So I just thought I had to live with this. Relaying the story over and over about your pain, then it kind of feels like you're lying or they don't believe you or you had to do something that set it off and you just feel like you're not heard. They're so quick to get you in and out and they want to just give you medication, and that's not what I was looking for. I saw Barefoot on Instagram and I saw the videos and I was like, this is something completely different that all the things that I've tried. So it was in New Jersey and it was an hour and a half away. So I was like, I have nothing to lose, so just give it a shot. I was scared and nervous because it was something different. And I was driving an hour and a half. I was greeted with a hug by Dr. Chris. I was like, what's going on here? This is a little weird, but you could just tell he's super passionate. Walking in here, I would say I was like a 7 or an 8. And today, out of 10, I'd say I'm like a 1, but I feel 1,000 times better. He just said there was a lot of adhesion right here on both sides. I think he's great. I mean, I love him. I think he's just fun and just different from anyone else that I've been to. I would recommend to anyone that has any type of pain, like they say online, if it's been several doctors and chronic and not going away, like why not give this a try? It's working.